Hello, hello. I have a couple of questions for you. Do you want to make more money in your business? Do you want to help more people with your business? Good news. Those things usually go hand in hand with each other. But what has to happen before you can have those things, before you can make more money and help more clients? People have to know that your business exists. You could be the absolute best at what you do. But if nobody knows that you are out there doing it, how great you are at it doesn't really matter. I'm Erin Marcus, founder and CEO of Conquer Your Business, and I have been creating brand and business strategies that build multiple six-figure, seven-figure, and yes, even multiple seven-figure businesses for more than 20 years. If you want to truly scale your business, having a cohesive, consistent brand that helps you connect to your ideal client is more important than ever. Something that breaks through the noise of not just a busy marketplace, but of people's busy lives. This is usually when people say to me, "Great, how do I do that?" Glad you asked, because this is what we're going to go all deep into in detail for you at the Young Guns event on May 18th. And not just am I going to give you the tangible things you need to go and create your own in-demand brand, but none other than precious Pitchmaster Williams is going to help you take the next step to teach you how to move the people you attract into actual clients. Then we're going to do something special for the VIP folks who are serious about making a difference in their business. And we're going to create customized workshops for you so we can spend time together applying all this information to your unique business, your unique goals, and your unique strengths. I'm going to tell you the very first step that you have to take. You have to show up. You have to show up. You have to be the person who makes things happen instead of sitting back waiting for them to happen. We're making it easy for you. We're going to show you exactly what you need to do. And it's me and Precious, so you're also going to have a good time doing it. But you have to take that first step by spending the day with us. See you on May 18th.